Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to increase or decrease sound volume in Windows 11 PC. For this, first click on this one Start button and then click Settings. Now select System in the left sidebar. On the right, click on this one Sound option. Now under Output section, you will see all the connected devices. For audio, select a device of your choice. You want to adjust the sound volume and then use this one slider to increase or decrease volume for that particular audio device. Otherwise, click on this one sound icon, audio icon in the taskbar, and here you can, using this one slider, you can adjust the volume sound. Otherwise, click on this one option, and here you can change the output device. Select the output device and again use this one slider to increase or decrease sound volume on your Windows 11 PC.